Pyle PLATV65BT 800W speakers, epic bass, LED madness, and outdoor power. Ever felt your music setup falling flat? Weak bass, muddled highs, unreliable connections, or struggling with speakers that can't survive the elements? It's frustrating. Hours wasted tweaking volume, switching devices, and hunting for clarity while your vibe dies mid-party. If you're ready to stop compromising sound quality and reclaim your audio dominance, the Pyle PLATV65BT 800W Bluetooth speaker system is about to change everything. Imagine this: your weekend plans, a backyard party, a beach ride, only to be crushed by speakers that sputter, cut out, or drown in outdoor chaos. Stress rises, energy dips, and the music stops. Missed beats, disappointed friends, and endless frustration pile up. You deserve a sound system that can endure, deliver, and energize every moment, indoors or outdoors. Meet the Pyle PLATV65BT, an 800W beast with dual 6.5-inch woofers, 1-inch titanium tweeters, and crystal-clear stereo sound that fills any space. Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity keeps your playlist seamless up to 30 feet, while 19 dynamic LED modes dance in sync with your music, transforming parties into immersive light shows. IP44 waterproofing and rugged design mean rain, splashes, or dust won't slow you down. Mounted on ATVs, UTVs, or walls, or plug and play with included heavy-duty straps. One user recalls a surprise beach jam where this system turned a quiet afternoon into an epic festival with crystal-clear highs and thunderous bass. Remote control customization, multiple input options, and durable wooden enclosures make this more than just speakers. It's a mobile, all-weather audio powerhouse. Why are outdoor enthusiasts, party hosts, and off-road adventurers raving about the Pyle PLATV65BT? Experts praise its peak 800W power, deep bass, and clear highs, calling it a robust, versatile, and affordable solution for both indoor and outdoor use. Influencers highlight its Bluetooth stability, 30-foot wireless range, and the captivating LED display that turns any night into an experience. Customers love using it on ATVs, golf carts, or backyard gatherings. Its waterproof, weatherproof construction keeps the sound flawless, while the dual tweeters and poly-injection cones deliver a balanced, room-filling audio spectrum. Whether streaming via SD card, USB, AUX, or FM radio, this speaker adapts instantly. Curious how a compact system produces festival-level sound? Imagine crisp highs cutting through campfire chatter, bass thumping with cinematic depth, and vibrant LEDs syncing magically with every beat. With plug-and-play installation and a sturdy, heavy-duty frame, this system proves that big sound doesn't require compromise. Don't wait. Limited stock of the Pyle PLATV65BT 800W Bluetooth speakers is available now. Join thousands of users transforming parties, rides, and outdoor adventures with massive sound, dazzling LED effects, and all-weather durability. Act fast. Secure yours today. Elevate every beat, and make your next gathering unforgettable. Whether it's a backyard bash, ATV trip, or spontaneous jam session, this system is your all-in-one audio solution. Grab it and feel the difference instantly.